Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set up a name lock in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. Then here you will see many app icon. Click on the setting icon first. Then here you will see this type of icon. You have to scroll down and click on the password and biometrics option. Click on the lock screen password option. Wait for some seconds to continue this. Now click on the continue. Then click on use a different password type option. Sorry. If you want to set up name lock, so click on that. Now enter your name lock. JAANVI. Sorry. I Janvi. Click on the next. Again verify. Then click on done. After that, if you want to add fingerprint, so click on add. I doesn't want, so click on cancel. Here you will see the result when you turn lock your screen, then again unlock. Sorry. In this way, click on the show name lock and here you will enter your name lock and see result. In this way, name lock is set up. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.